Assalamualaikum and good morning students. Welcome to Forward Public School e-learning class 4th. I am your general science teacher. My name is Sadia Saeed. Now let's start chapter number 3 of your midterm syllabus, Heat and its Measurement, part 2, book activities plus written work. Students, open your books at page number 67. Hold your pencils in your hands. Circle the correct option. Question is, choose the correct option against each statement. Number 1. Dash is the measure of warmth or coldness of an object. A. Temperature. B. Heat. C. Energy. D. Power. The correct option is A, that is temperature. किसी भी चीज़ की ठंडक या और गर्मी की पैमाइश दर्जे हरारत कहलाती है. Number 2. The normal body temperature of human body is A. 34 degree centigrade, B. 35 degree centigrade, C. 36 degree centigrade, D. 37 degree centigrade, and the correct option is D, that is 37 degree centigrade. इंसानी जिस्म का नॉर्मल दर्जा हरारत 37 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड होता है. नंबर 3. टेम्परेचर लेस देन 0 इज़ रिटन विद A. डिवीजन, B. पॉजिटिव और प्लस, C. मल्टीप्लिकेशन, D. नेगेटिव और माइनस. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज़ D, दैट इज़ नेगेटिव और माइनस साइन. जो दर्जा हरारत 0 से कम हो उसे माइनस या नेगेटिव के साइन के साथ लिखा जाता है. पेज नंबर 68. नंबर 4. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेजर्स बॉडी टेम्परेचर? A. रूम थर्मामीटर, B. वेदर थर्मामीटर, C. क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर, D. लैब थर्मामीटर. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज C, दैट इज क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर. हम क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर से इंसानी जिस्म का दर्जा हरारत नापते हैं या इंसानी जिस्म के दर्जा हरारत की पैमाइश करते हैं. नंबर 5. अकॉर्डिंग टू सेल्सियस स्केल वाटर बॉइल्स एट A. 98.6 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, B. 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, C. 101 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, D. 102 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज़ B, दैट इज़ 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. सेल्सियस स्केल के मुताबिक पानी 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पर उबलता है. नंबर 5. हीट इज़ मेजर्ड इन A. जाउल्स, B. एम्पेयर्स, C. कैंडेला, D. डिग्रीज. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज़ A, दैट इज़ जाउल्स. हरारत को जाउल्स में नापा जाता है या हरारत की पैमाइश जाउल्स में की जाती है. नंबर 7. Heat is dash which flows from warm body towards colder body. A. Heat, B. Temperature, C. Electrical conductivity, D. Thermal energy. And the correct option is D, that is thermal energy. हरारत थर्मल एनर्जी होती है जो गर्म चीज़ से ठंडी चीज़ की तरफ मुंतकिल होती है. नंबर 8. Absolute zero is A. minus 273 degree centigrade, B. 98 degree Fahrenheit, C. 273 degree centigrade, D. 32 degree Fahrenheit. The correct option is A, that is minus 273 degree centigrade. Minus 273 degree centigrade absolute zero होता है. Number 9. Which element is mainly used in thermometer? A. water, B. beryllium, C. mercury, D. silver. Correct option is C, that is mercury. कौन सा आंसर थर्मामीटर में इस्तेमाल होता है? पारा. नंबर 10. 0K is equal to A. 273 degree centigrade, B. 459 degree Fahrenheit, C. minus 273 degree centigrade, D. minus 400 degree Fahrenheit. 0K -273 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड के बराबर होता है. 0K मीन्स 0 केल्विन. कम टू पेज नंबर 69. द thermometers given below are graduated in Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Write the readings in boxes given. प्यारे बच्चों, सामने दिए गए स्केल्स में सेल्सियस और फ़ारेनहाइट की मुख्तलिफ रीडिंग्स नीचे दिए गए खानों में लिखें. 32 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट, 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. 75 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट, 24 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. 108 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट, 42 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. As you have already done chapter number 2 in your copies, so let's start chapter number 3 in your classwork copies. Write serial number and date on each and every page. Write chapter number 3 in the first line. In the second line, write name of the chapter, that is heat and its measurement. Then in the third line, write contents. Number 1, words meanings 5. Number 2, short question answers 4. Number 3, long question answers 2. Number 4, diagram, page 65. Number 5, fill in the blanks 5. Number 6, true false 6. 7, choose the correct answer 10 on book page 67-68. 8, exercise E, write the readings in degree, centigrade or Celsius or Fahrenheit scale on book page 69. Draw the finishing line. Come to the next page. Write chapter number 3 in the first line, name of the chapter, heat and its measurement in the second line. Then make 2 columns for writing words meanings. Draw a line in the center. Words, number 1, heat, garmi, hararat. Number 2, temperature, darje hararat. Number 3, mercury, para. Number 4, device, ala. Number 5, experiments, tajrubat. Draw the finishing line. Come to the next page. Write short question answers in the first line. Then question number 1, define a thermometer. Answer, an instrument used to measure temperature is called thermometer. Draw the finishing line. Question number 2, name the common scales of temperature. Answer, there are 3 common scales of temperature. A, Fahrenheit scale. B, Celsius scale. C, Kelvin scale. Draw the finishing line. Question number 3, differentiate between clinical and laboratory thermometer. Answer, types of thermometer. Give the heading of types of thermometer. Then write the answer. There are 2 types of thermometers used in daily life. A, clinical thermometer. This thermometer is used to measure the human body temperature. B, laboratory thermometer. This thermometer is used to measure room temperature or it is used in some experiments. Draw the finishing line. Question number 4, write the formula of conversion of Celsius scale into Fahrenheit scale. Answer, Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale, F is equal to 9/5 degree Celsius or centigrade plus 32. Draw the finishing line. Come to the next page. Give the heading of long question answers. Question number 1, compare the heat, thermal energy and temperature. A, heat. Number 1, heat is the transfer or flow of thermal energy from a warmer to a cooler object. Number 2, heat is the total energy in a substance. B, thermal energy. Number 1, thermal energy is the energy that comes from heat. Number 2, it is generated by movements of tiny particles within an object. C, temperature. Number 1, the measure of the warmth or coldness of an object is called the temperature. Draw the finishing line. Question number 2, describe the structure of thermometer. Answer, structure. Number 1, thermometer is a long glass tube. Number 2, there is a bulb at one end of the glass tube. Number 3, this tube is filled with a fluid called mercury. Number 4, mercury level shows how hot or cold something is. Number 5, the level of mercury rises with rise in temperature and falls with fall in temperature. Draw the finishing line. Draw a diagram of thermometer. In this page, you have to use separate page for making diagram. Draw a diagram of thermometer. It is given in your books on page number 65. Draw, color and label it like this. Give the heading of thermometer, a thermometer at the end. Draw the finishing line. Come to the next page. Give the heading of fill in the blanks in the first line. Number 1, temperature is measured with the help of dash thermometer. Number 2, the bulb of thermometer is filled with dash mercury. Number 3, dash is the unit of temperature, Kelvin. Number 4, dash is the energy which comes from heat, thermal energy. Number 5, there are dash common scales of temperature. 3, draw the finishing line. Come to the next page. Give the heading of true false in the first line. Number 1, thermal energy is the energy that comes from heat. True. Number 2, Fahrenheit and Celsius scales have different readings. True. Number 3, there are 4 common scales of temperature. False. Number 4, thermometer is used to measure body temperature. True. Number 5, heat is the average energy in a substance. False. Number 6, temperature is the measure of warmth or coldness of an object. True. Draw the finishing line. Students, this is the end of chapter number 3. Hope you have understood it. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.